Yeah, that's it.
Brother, really?
Stop it.
Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Look at that cute flower. What's that?
I don't feel me. I look ugly.
It's an
Wala
ice.
someone. Yeah, give it to
I
mommy.
don't feel me. I look ugly.
Yeah. Hawakan mo lang.
Thank you.
You
Okay.
put ice in it.
Ice.
What's your gift?
This one. This is my gift.
To mommy? Where's yours, Kyrie?
Look.
Get yours. Read it.
It says, if giving you a flower will represent my love for you, I will give you all the flowers in the world.
Wait, but Koya didn't get anything because she was absent.
Yeah, Kuya is still sleeping. Let me see, mommy. Is that mommy? Looks like mommy, huh?
Big chin. Look.
Kamukha mo, mommy. Tignan mo.
Yeah.
Carbon copy. Look at that. Mommy.
Why you lying?
Dad, no.
May smile. Tingin.
Dad, no.
Tingin mo na.
I look ugly.
Di tingin. Tingin.
What are you doing?
Dad, stop it.
Mami, kamukha mo. Ang galing ni Kyrie mag-drawing, oh. Yung labit na naman.
No, because that was a temple.
No, it wasn't. You drew that with your own brain.
No.
No, stop.
To cut
Happy
it
Mother's
out.
Day, mami. Tabi mo yan.
It
You
was
didn't buy ice.
chocolate.
Did you
Nagbaya ako, bumili ako ng ice. Bumili ako ng ice.